Aguardiente, give me a kiss.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What's up guys, my name is Marwa. I'm really sorry we're filming with this big camera right here. And it's, man, look, it's having a problem. So I'm doing this second time interview, trying to ask these beautiful girls, how is nightlife in Bogotá? ¿Cómo es vida nocturna aquí? Por favor, explica. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Valeria.
Valeria. ¿Y tú?
Karen.
Karen. ¿Cómo es vida nocturna aquí, mamá?
Bueno, todo depende.
It all depends.
Pues todo depende del lugar al que tú quieras ir, ¿no? Digamos acá en la 85, pues el lugar es famoso porque viene gente de mucho dinero. O como de un estrato más alto. Entonces, digamos que la vestimenta tiene que ser de una manera, gastas más dinero, obviamente. Los lugares son más sofisticados, digámoslo así. Ya si tú quieres ir a galerías, a la 51 o modelo, algo así, ya es algo más económico. Puedes ir como más normal, vestido. Pero igual, pues el ambiente depende mucho de tu grupo de amigos, el ambiente que tú te quieras hacer y todo. Y de precios así, a veces los bares dan muchas promociones. Por ejemplo, nos dieron unas tarjetas ahorita. Estas. Y nos dijeron que con esa tarjeta no pagamos la entrada.
Oh,
Y
wow.
nos dan varias promociones de trago, por ejemplo. En otras partes, el joven para entrar depende 20.000, 10.000, a veces no se paga, depende una hora, depende a unas horas. Por ejemplo, esta tiene validez hasta las 11 de la noche.
Ok, 11 de la noche.
Entonces, pues el dinero...
¿Cuánto cuesta más o menos por una noche, si quieres?
Pues depende mucho del lugar al que vayas a ir, pero pues, y el número de gente, con que vayas, porque todos ponen plata. Gente, pues obviamente gastas menos, pero si vamos, digamos las dos, pues tenemos que gastar más. Por ahí 50, 40.
Oh, that is like 50,000 or 40,000. Wow. Okay.
Bueno, mi consejo, primero que todo es responsabilidad al tomar. Si usted sabe que va a tomar en un lugar brusco o un lugar donde el ambiente es muy pesado, sabe controlar, saber tomar, no ser irresponsable también, contraer su carro, su moto, manejar embriagado, porque o sea, trae muchos daños.
Okay. So drink responsibly, that's what she's trying to say. Don't drink and drive, yeah.
Y no, pues invitar a toda la gente que conozcan Bogotá, Colombia.
So
Saber con quién va a tomar también. Sí,
¿Cómo?
porque uno nunca sabe con quién toma también. Y el lugar No, pues que acá hay personas somos muy amables, pues nos caracterizamos por ser muy amables, muy divertidos. Entonces, pues no está de más que vengan a conocer y estoy segura que les va a encantar. La responsabilidad.
Okay.
Mucha responsabilidad, more responsabilidad.
Yeah, so she's insisting, sorry of the car, she's insisting like you have to party with a lot of responsibility, okay? You have to be very responsible when you party. But what they have just said is a lot of people here are really, really nice and you can have a good time here. And all you have to do is just have some positive energy. Sorry, the video is in Spanish. For those who don't speak Spanish, man, you have to practice because if you come down here, it's gonna be in Spanish. Okay, habla chao para mi cámara, okay? Habla chao para mi cámara y ya. Okay. Bye. Bienvenido a Colombia.
Bienvenidos a Colombia.
Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
So what's up guys, I'm in Bogota, Colombia. I'm with my
favorite brother. I know you guys know him, but before I introduce him, let me show you where he's staying, and he'll be telling us more about this place, okay? So, this is a tour, Bogota, Colombia, okay? So we have a TV right there, we have some, it's so enormous, like, damn, man. I don't know if you can see that. You see? So then we have this side here. I'm just doing, see that? We have some small kitchen, you can cook here, you know. Then we have some fridge right here. And, wow. And the tables right here, you see, very classic. And we have a very beautiful couch right there. And that's the outside, you see, that's the outside right there. So it has its own. You can also chill here if, let me show you, right there. So then the outside is right here. I don't know if this door is closed, yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to open it. Wow. So all this space is for him. It's like a garden here, you know? It's like a garden. And these are tall buildings, as you see, right way up. It's on the camera. Very, very amazing, you see? Super tall buildings. And now I'm gonna introduce you to Hey!
What's going on, man?
Yeah,
What's happening? What's happening?
Yeah. I know you guys know him. Hey, introduce yourself once again for the new subscribers.
Brian, man.
Yeah, this is Brian Bitcoin.
Brian, man. B-Dot. B-Dot. New name is B-Dot.
Man, show us more about this place, Brian.
Oh, man. I'm actually leaving. I'm going to Medellin today.
Yeah.
So my bed ain't really made up to. I just kind of just threw the covers back, but I stayed there last night. Yeah, man. Everything's, it's a nice little spot. Got a TV right here.
It's a TV right there.
Yeah, and let me take you upstairs to the, actually downstairs.
Yeah.
To the, where we eat at.
So.
We go down there next.
Yeah, we're going downstairs. That's the bed, look how it looks like. Yeah. So let's go, Brian, man.
Let's go.
Yeah. This looks like a live stream, you know? Yeah. So.
You only brought one bag this time, so, you know.
Yeah. Let me carry for you this one.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay. Yeah, I'm recording.
All right.
Oh, you need to close. Buenos dias. Brand Bitcoin is living like a king right here, man.
I'm going down.
¿Está bajando?
Sí.
Okay.
Going down?
Yeah.
Yeah, in this hotel, you hit it, you can only go to your floor. You can't go to any other floors. You have to have access
to the other
floors. You can't go to any
floors.
other floors. You can only go to your floor and the floor where they have this.
Okay, so we can go.
Come out. Come out.
Oh, sorry?
Do like we leave. You still video?
Yeah, but I'll cut it, you know?
Alright,
Yeah.
so just come out. Alright, there you go.
Wow. This is so amazing. So.
They're done with breakfast, so they're putting it up.
Oh, they give you breakfast together?
Yeah, breakfast, yeah. You breakfast, nice music.
Yeah.
And then look at this.
It's so amazing.
It's nice.
It's Brand Bitcoin living the life, man. Bogota, Colombia. Then, wow, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang. The mountains.
See just the,
Actually, that's Monserrate. Yeah.
See Monserrate over there?
Yeah.
Downtown.
Downtown is right here. See.
Super nice.
Wow.
You won't
Man.
break the bank. You won't break the bank. It's a very
Okay.
reasonable spot.
Wow. And they allow visitors here. Let's say you have a girl.
Yeah, of course. cars. I have friends. You come in, no problem.
Yeah.
My friends, my lady friends come in, no problem.
Yeah. And down here you have the view of Transmillennials, you see. Tall buses right there. So, and actually, from the inside it's very quiet. Very, very quiet. Super, super. Yeah, those are the cars moving as you see right there. Bogota, Colombia. Yeah, man. So that's Brian showing us.
A bar.
There's a bar right there.
Bar right here.
Yeah. Wow.
They had all this decked out with food earlier, but breakfast is over now. So
okay.
But yeah, they still.
So they give you free breakfast.
Yes.
Oh wow. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
This is like a padre.
Marwa.
Marwa.
Sí. ¿Tu nombre es?
Angélica.
Angélica. Oh, she's awesome.
She took care of me earlier.
Yeah.
She took very good care of me earlier.
Yeah. She has beautiful eyes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Bye bye.
Gracias.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, man. We go. That's it, man.
Yeah. Amazing, man.
Get this part in.
Yeah, it has beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. So people will be asking you like, how much do you pay here, Brian? Because you know sometimes people gonna want to know like.
Yeah, for a regular room, I think it's maybe like 40 something a night.
Oh, 40 something.
Yeah.
So not expensive.
The room you saw, it was only maybe like 70 a night, I think.
70.
Yeah, nice, exclusive too.
Yeah. Wow, so 70, they give you breakfast, you have all this space with you, man.
If you want them to make you like a custom omelet, it's only like maybe like 20
more.
20 pesos, yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this guy is staying 501. This is apartment for the real. Man, I should give the video a like. This is Brand Bitcoin. He has been supporting my channel. Man, from 2,000 subscribers, I think around there. Yeah, 2,000 subscribers, man, and now it's 90 plus. We're going to 100.
That's what's up.
Man, Brand, say something, man. Like, let me turn the camera to you. Say something, man.
Man, nothing, man. We just, got a few things coming up.
Yeah.
Doing a lot of traveling.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we do a lot of traveling.
Yeah.
Man. But that's what it's all about. It's all about traveling. Yeah. Showing people, what it's all about. That's how I found Marwa, because when I wanted to travel, I looked up his channel.
YouTube,
It really helped me out. So
man, tell people some advice coming to Bogota for the first time,
just take it
or
easy.
Colombia,
Just take it easy. It's a very beautiful place. Yeah, the people are beautiful. Everyone is nice. Yeah. Just and it won't break the bank. Yeah. This place looks very nice and extravagant, but it's not that much, man. But just like I said, just take care of yourself. Go to the nice places, eat good. What is one advice that you wish you knew before coming to Colombia? Before maybe you were like, oh, I didn't know about this shit, man. Well, I won't really say advice, but it's just certain things that I saw once I got here that I didn't know. Yeah. Like the graffiti. Oh, I didn't know about
which one? Graffitis.
Yeah, I didn't know about the graffiti situation. Yeah. Another one of my buddies was walking down the street, and it was a guy who was tagging the building. Oh. He was just tagging this building. Yeah. And there was a policeman right there. I said, oh, he gonna get in trouble. My homie was like, nah. He's like, they encourage you here. It's no problem. It's no problem. I said, okay, but damn, okay, that's what's up. So just stuff like that, little small things like that I've noticed since I've been here. Yeah. But my quality of life over here is just amazing, man. I love this place. I'm headed to Medellin today. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving
already packed.
Yeah, I'm leaving in just a little while. So.
Yeah, actually, we could go, man. We could go and show. Yeah, we could go. So we are leaving, guys. But I want to say very special thanks to Brian, man. This is a guy who believed in me when, man, I was like 0. And he used to donate a lot of money. He still does, but long time ago, he used to donate like 100 a day, man, every live stream.
Man, I ran out of Bitcoin, man. I'm running out of Bitcoin. I'm spending my Bitcoin out, man. Ran out of Bitcoin, man. You know what I mean? Get a nice little roll. I didn't use it, but you get a nice little roll.
Let me show them. Ran out of Bitcoin. Until now, he's
use it, but you get a nice little robe. You walk around like a boss, like you have to.
Yeah. Wow, man. All these also, they give you all this brand right here?
Yeah.
Damn.
You can walk around like a boss.
Look here, man. Damn, man. Yeah. Wow, that's brand. So, yeah, let's leave. We're leaving. Let's leave brand. Let's walk down. I think the video will end when we are out of this place. Yeah, that's brand. We're going to Medellin, Colombia, man.
Medellin.
Comparing Medellin and Bogota, Brian, what is your take?
Medellin is a little more touristy.
Yeah.
A little more touristy.
Nice
city, beautiful city. Nice areas. So yeah, yes. I mean, anywhere you go in Colombia is gonna be beautiful.
Anywhere in Colombia.
Anywhere you go, man. People are nice, beautiful people, beautiful country.
Yeah.
So.
And also your money goes far away.
Go a long way.
Yeah, man. Actually, when you come here, you ball. Actually, right?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say ball, but have your money go a long way. You have a good time. You know, I took some friends out last night.
Yeah.
We went out. It was 4. Let me see. How many was it? It was 4 of us.
Yeah.
We went to a super nice spot. And I paid for everything. It's going to be like $60. $60. We ate like kings and drunk like kings.
Comparing that, maybe if it was in the US, how much do you think you could have paid?
Same thing in the US.
Yeah.
Somewhere like Vegas, you're looking at about maybe $2,500.
Wow, $2,500?
Yeah. Yeah. I went to Vegas. I was in Vegas for the fight, the McGregor fight.
Yeah.
I spent $4,000 in one night.
4,000.
Yeah, it was crazy. And
I didn't
have nowhere near as much fun.
Yeah.
As I did in Colombia, man. You know what I mean? There in Vegas was cool, but I had much more fun in Colombia, and I didn't break the bank.
Oh, you didn't break the bank.
Didn't break the bank.
Yeah, that's brand right there. And so we're leaving right here. You checked out already? Your keys?
No,
yeah. Okay.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.